In this video, you'll learn how to add JWT authentication using Claude Code. By the end of this guide, you will have a simple JWT API set up with user registration, login, and protected routes. First, open PowerShell on your computer, navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Type nimgadir simple JWT to create a new folder called simple JWT to change into that directory. Next, initialize a new node.js project by typing npm init-y. This command creates a package.json file with default settings. Now you need to install the necessary dependencies for your project. Type npm install express bcrypt.js json web token.num. This command will install Express for building your server, bcrypt.js for password hashing, JSON web token for authentication, and .num for environment variable management. Next, create a devin file to store your secret key. You can do this by typing echo JWT _ secret key. This command creates a new file called devin and adds your JWT secret key to it. Ensure that you keep this key confidential as it is essential for the security of your application. Now, it is time to use Claude Code to generate the authentication code. For best results, give Claude simple, small commands one at a time. Start by entering Claude creates srserver.js, express server using JSON middleware, .toven config, and listening on port 3000. This command will create the server file with the necessary configurations. Next, import Claude create srt/routes/auth.js with /register and /login endpoints to create the authentication routes. Then type Claude create srt/controllers/auth.js hard passwords with bcryptezs /login returns JWT using JSON web token to set up the authentication logic. After that, enter Claude create sr/middleware/auth.js to verify JWT from authorization bearer token and attach user to request. Finally, add the protected route by typing Claude add protected route get /profile in server.js using auth middleware. Each command will create a corresponding file in your project structure. Once all files are generated, you can run your server by typing node-irc/server.js quote in PowerShell. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message server running on port 3000. This indicates that your server is now active and ready to handle requests. To test your JWT authentication, you will first need to register a user. Use the command curl-x post http://localhost 3000 register-h content type application /json-d username alice password 1 to quantity 3456 inches w. This command sends a post request to registrator. You can log in to receive your JWT by entering curl-x post http://localhost 3000 login-h content type post key 10 type h application /json-d username alice password 123,456 inches 1100 for accessing protected routes. To access the protected route, use the command curl http://localhost 3000 profile -h authorization bearer your _token _here. Replace your _token _here with the actual token you receive from the login request. If the request returns user information, your JWT authentication is functioning correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.